Zalalam from 2620 is active. Today we will discuss about autoboxing and unboxing in Java. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, like, comment and share. So the concept of autoboxing and unboxing in Java is a principle used in addressing the issue of using primitive types through reference types, so that we could use methods, properties and constructors of the reference types to have more functionality on primitives. And this brings us to the concept of type wrapper classes. So type wrapper classes are classes that are created and included in the Java library, and they are included in the library so that respective primitive types can be used in these wrapper classes. So these wrapper classes include character. This is one wrapper class which is used to use the char primitive type. The others are boolean. This is for the boolean primitive type, and we have got the numeric types as well, like integer, double, float, that's including long, okay, short, byte. These are all wrapper classes used in Java library, and these numeric wrapper classes are subtypes of the abstract class number and implementing the functions of this abstract class. And it used to be before JDK9 we used to use the constructors of these wrapper classes to wrap primitive types, like for example if I want to assign an int I, okay, now here if I write this one, okay, now here I get the error that a strike through, and it tells me that this constructor is deprecated, because since JDK9 we don't need to use the constructor, rather we can use the method value of, okay, here, and here we will have the value, okay. So here we don't have to have the new keyword, here we use the static value. Since JDK9 we can use the value of method. You can use this for char, boolean and the other integer values as well, okay. And nowadays the recent JDKs also provide you a simple assignment to wrap an integer, okay. So I could say, okay, previously I cannot do that, it had to be new integer and then constructed like this, okay. So it should have been like this, okay. Now it has been changed so that we don't need the constructor, we just write this one, and this will create a new object, integer object with a value of 100. So we can manipulate this one and work with the methods of I. See, now we can compare it, we can get the byte value, we can get the float value of this one, Okay, all the methods there in the integer object. Similarly, double, float, and so on are handled in a similar way. This is very important in extracting numerical values from other formats. For example, from string. If you have got data, for example, name, age, sex, and say Johannes and 33 and male. So this one will be a data provided to your method or whatever code you have, and you need to extract the age. Then you can extract the value of 33 using the wrapper classes and change it to a primitive type integer for your manipulation. So that's how the wrapper classes are useful in Java. That's it for this video. Thank you for your time.